Welcome back to Hot Rod Guy Garage, and today we're going to resurrect something that's been sitting for a while. So follow on with me through the intro, and I'll be back. Well, it's about time that we resurrected Project Freetro. So I made a tough decision, ended up pulling motor out of another project, and I pushed Freetro out of the backyard, so we're going to get this thing cleaned up a little bit. So it's been sitting in the backyard, we're all built up with stuff all over the place. And before I push it in the garage, we need to defunk it a little bit. So this is where we left off. The 3-cylinder is still at the machine shop. So we're going to put something else in here, kind of temporarily. So, to get it cleaned up. Of other things that need to be cleaned up, been sitting in the backyard, is Project Phoenix, and the green Torino needs to be cleaned up too. It probably don't look that dirty on camera, but all this stuff is really funky and dirty. So that said, let's get to clean this thing up, at least get it defunked a little bit, and we'll talk about what we're going to put in a little later on in the video. Well, I got all the wasp and bees and, all the regular matter out of it. And this is what we were left with. Just where we left it. So guys, that leaves us the question. What do y'all want to see me do with Project Freetro? Leave your opinion down in the comments below. Always look forward to hearing them. But what is going in Freetro? I've got a 1.3 liter, the Hemi motor out of the 96. That's what we're going to put in the Freetro. That said, I have all the stuff to either keep it a drag car, or we can build it into a road race car. So let me know what you want to see, and I'll come back here in a minute and we'll talk about a few more things. So right here is going to be our power plant. Now this motor's got about 160,000 miles on it. It's been completely resealed, new timing belt, new water pump. It was actually covered on my channel when I done this. So what do, guys? And when I say that, what I mean is, do we start off with this motor completely stock and then mod it from there? Or do we just jump straight off the bat and, continue where we picked up a Freetro, just with the 4-cylinder? This is an OBD2 motor. I do have the complete car harness that I can use. It's a chance that I can actually put Freetro back into a street car and make it a nice drivable car with a little added power. Or we can continue down that route with the drag car, which will not hurt my feelings none whatsoever. But we will have to take some more weight out of it. And I know there's going to probably be a few of you upset that I'm not continuing on with the 3-cylinder. Well, the 3-cylinder is at the machine shop still, and it is still in line to get fixed. It is a very expensive, very time-consuming project. So, in the meantime, we need some kind of filler material here with it. So, I was sitting here the other day. The 96's transmission's bad, and I've just not been able to get the stuff to manual swap it. So I figured I would pull it down, use it for a different project here soon, and use the drivetrain and possibly the suspension into Freetro. So this isn't going to be a super long video about it. but we got to make a decision. So I'm going to let y'all make it, and that's what we'll do. So it will be a How to Make Your Geo Metro Faster series. We just may do it a little differently. So let me know, guys. All it takes is you to let me know down there in the comments. And once again, Freetro is snuggled back into its forever home. It seems to live in this side of my garage, so it is once again back over here. Along with, all the 3-cylinder pieces and parts and all the stuff from the series that y'all have seen is just kind of, over in the corner. So I got some major cleaning to do before we go further. But it is back in the garage, and looks like we're going to, be putting this into bloop there. So this video, there's not a whole lot in it, guys. More or less, I just took Sunday here to do some yard work and decided to get this thing out of the backyard. I'd pulled this motor out. I think it will be another unexplored platform. There is absolutely no information on the single overhead cam 1.3, nor is it well liked in the geo community. So I'm sure I'm going to get some backlash there. But when you break this motor down, guys, it is literally the G10 3-cylinder with an extra cylinder. With the old style, Hemi style head, which is actually a better head than the wedge head that comes on the 1 liter. So, that said, I got this motor here. I got the mouse put in the car. And I have some other stuff in the background, like the 16 valve 1.6 head that will swap on this motor. That does flow better than the head that's actually on the Swift GTI, which is dual over cam head. So for all intents and purposes, the bottom ends here are the same, just with a little weaker connecting rod and a different piston and different cylinder head. I still got all the turbo stuff off Freetro. The GT28 would be better suited on this 1.3. I did donate the supercharger setup to Potter for his project in the future. So this is kind of my way of changing Freetro up a little bit, hopefully bringing some faster drag times and exploring another platform that's not real well explored. So I think it's going to be a good move. Some of y'all may not think so. So just let me know either way. But I'm going to pretty much leave this video here. There will be another video soon of what it takes to put this motor in to this car. As far as that goes, that will come as it comes. But look forward to it in the future. They probably won't be as current as they were previously, but Freetro is still here and the series is going to continue. So if you haven't yet, please hit that like button on this video, share this video with your friends, and most importantly, if you're not a subscriber and you're watching this, hit that subscribe button because it does help the channel to grow. And I'll see y'all at the next How to Make a Geo Metro Faster video. Thanks for watching.